Hi, I'm Tom Luby. I'm the activities director here at Torrey Trails RV and Golf Resort. That means that I'm responsible for all of the fun things that take place here at the resort. If you come here to stay at our resort, you are definitely going to find lots of activities. If you are bored, you are just not trying. We have activities from 9 o'clock in the morning till 9 o'clock at night. Everything from physical activities like Zumba, aerobics, line dancing, water aerobics, things like that. But we also have quilting and board games like Mahjong, dart leagues, beanbag baseball. And then at night we have bingo, we have Chase the Ace, we have karaoke and open mic nights. We have a food truck that comes every Friday and other food trucks that come on Sunday. So we try to have a variety of different things for our guests.
What if I told you there's a luxury RV resort hidden away in the Florida countryside with golf, nature trails, resort-style amenities, and an amazing sense of community? Today we're checking out Torrey Trails RV and Golf Resort in Bowling Green, Florida. Right away, you notice how spacious and peaceful this resort feels. Torrey Trails features 368 RV sites with both back-in and pull-through options available, making it great for rigs of all sizes. The resort is beautifully landscaped with lakes, mature trees, and oversized sites that give it a true resort feel. The heated pool and spa area is one of the most popular spots in the resort. The pool stays heated to 84 degrees during the winter and is even lit at night for evening swimming. There's also a beautiful clubhouse with a covered patio that serves as a central gathering place for activities and social events. For those who like to stay active, Torrey Trails features a fitness center along with 4 pickleball courts that are fully lit for nighttime play. The resort also offers shuffleboard courts, a pétanque court, a game room, and a pavilion with a bar that's perfect for community gatherings and entertainment. One thing that really makes this resort stand out is how they blended luxury resort living with nature. The property features a 30-acre wetland preserve with just over a mile of walking trails where you can enjoy the peaceful Florida scenery and wildlife. And honestly, that's what makes Torrey Trails so special. It has all the amenities you could want while still feeling relaxing, quiet, and connected to nature. Between the golf, pool, pickleball, social events, and beautiful scenery, it's easy to see why so many RVers choose to spend their winters here, or even make it their full-time home. You can even buy a tiny home here.
Good afternoon, it's Kevin Merkel from Torrey Trails RV Sales. We'd love for you to stop by and see our Jacobson homes on the property. We have 2-bedroom, 2 baths that you can walk through now. So give me a call at the number posted and we can set up an appointment.
Hi, this is Berlin Schaefer, and this is my wife Kathleen. We got to the park 2 days after opening. We've been here over the last 6 years, so this is our 7th season. 4 years ago, we bought a manufactured home. It's Category 2 Plus rating. We've been through 2 hurricanes and had very minute damage. And we think this is just an awesome park. Kathleen?
The people here are absolutely wonderful, and that's what keeps us coming back year after year. We have so many fun activities and so many things to do. It's just, we're a very giving park. We do a lot of fundraisers for the community. We just held one for the Hardy County Help Center and for the it's called the Hardy County Pet Shelter. And then we are doing one coming up for the youth kids in the community. So we do a lot of fundraising for our county. We don't do national programs.
Well, tell me about the ease of getting to healthcare here.
So I have an absolutely amazing primary care doctor here in town. I don't want to overwhelm her with her name, but she's a wonderful, amazing primary care. But I also have several specialists, and I can get to everybody within 45 minutes. So we go to Lakewood Ranch, Sebring. Where else did we go?
Tampa. Sebring, Lakewood Ranch, Tampa, Bradenton.
So, and we can get to any specialist you need within, an hour drive. And so we love the rural community out here. We don't want that rat race of the traffic. If we need it, we can get there, but we don't have to be living in it. So that's what we love about the area here.
And then you can also get to any cruise ship you want to get to, right?
Absolutely. We're centrally located. We can get to Tampa. We can get to Jacksonville. In fact, we're leaving tomorrow to Jacksonville. We can go to Fort Lauderdale, Miami, Cape Canaveral. So we've got 5 different cruise ports here that we can get to in a matter of a few hours.
How many cruises did you go on last year?
We did 140 days last year.
Wow. Okay, so you feel perfectly fine leaving your house and going on all these cruises.
Absolutely.
But you love coming back because you love the community.
We do, and this is such a safe area to be in. We have no problem walking away, locking the door, and leaving it. We know if a package comes in, one of our neighbors is going to pick up the package and bring it in the house or take it to their house or whatever, and we know it's going to be there when we get back. So this is just a wonderful area to be.
I tell you what, I've been here, I live in Florida all my life, and I moved down here. This is a great place, and the golfing is just what you need to get you some exercise and get out and enjoy the sun and everything. So it's working out real well for us. Enjoy this place.
I love it here. We've been here 4 years. We've signed for 3 more. We don't plan on moving anytime soon.
And you love the golfing?
Oh, I golf all the time.
Yeah?
Yes, I do. It's very nice. And Billy has the greens in excellent shape right now. They are really good. So, we like it.
Good morning. I'm Carly Miller.
I'm Tom Miller.
And we have been coming to Torrey Trails for 2 years, and we absolutely love it here. One of my favorite things is the nice size gardens that they have where you can put your own plants. And I'm a plant lover, flowers. And we're from Minnesota, so coming down here is luxury and having fun and lots of activities. I'm in charge of the poker run this year, first time. And last time we donated over $4,000 to a local charity here in town. Some of our favorite activities are the pool. It's a very nice sized pool. The people are very, very friendly, and we're 6 months here and 6 months back in Minnesota. And also the staff here is very wonderful, and we just enjoy it all around. We also are involved with a lot of activities. There's pickleball, there is nighttime music every Friday on the patio.
Wind in my hair, sun on my face.
Would you stay at Torrey Trails RV and Golf Resort? Let us know down in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join us as we continue traveling full-time and helping you find your next destination. Thanks for watching.
Cities and mountains, I'm a wanderlust soul. On the open road, gonna let my heart unfold. The rhythm of the highway, the beat of my heart, I'm the king of the world, can't tear me apart. Keep on moving, keep on grooving, through the ups and downs. Keep on proving that nothing can stop me. I'm in control, wanderlust pumping through my soul. Gonna keep on moving, keep on grooving, through the ups and downs. Keep on proving can't stop me, I'm in control. Wanderlust pumping through my soul.
We sold our house along with almost everything we owned, and we packed up the RV to live a lifestyle on the road. Now we're free from sticks and bricks and that old life we used to know. Come and join on our adventures, all the places that we'll go. And living in the RV is sublime. Destination full time.